What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this one we're going to be going over the first 10 things you need to do when you get your Samsung S21 FE 5G. So let's begin with the video now. Welcome to Search Tech. Our mission is to help you get the most out of your tech through reviews and tutorials. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell to get notified when we release a new video. And there's going to be useful links below in the description covering everything that we discuss in the video. With that being said, let's get right into it. So the first thing that you may want to do is fix the side key. Most phones have a button on the right edge that turns it on and off, and you would probably call this the power button, but Samsung prefers to call it side button, and it doesn't behave like the buttons on the other phones. By default, long pressing this button opens up Bixby, and luckily you can banish Bixby from your button, and all you have to do is head to your settings, then you're gonna go to advanced features and select side key. From here, you can change that press and hold settings to produce the power menu like it does on every other phone. The next thing that you want to do is find the apps easier. The app drawer on the default Samsung home screen launcher isn't sorted logically at all, but thankfully getting them alphabetically sorted is an easy fix. After all, you have the home screen for customizing folders and other shortcuts. All you have to do is swipe up anywhere on the home screen to get the app drawer and then tap on the three dots. Then select sort and then alphabetical. Now, how to customize the display. So Samsung's phones are designed to look a certain way out of the box, and normally this means the incredibly bright light mode, larger text, and cartoonishly vibrant colors. While those settings will certainly make some people happy, you may want to tweak your display to fit your style a little bit more. In order to tweak it, you just have to go to settings and you're gonna head to display. And right here, you're gonna see a bunch of options to customize your home screen, like the text side, maybe the color, and even more. Now, the fourth spot of things to do is how to unlock your phone faster. The under-display fingerprint sensor on the Galaxy S21 FE is great, but you usually have to wake the screen up first to unlock your phone, and that gets annoying pretty quickly, but there is a solution for this. Samsung's always-on fingerprint feature doesn't keep the fingerprint icon there all the time despite the feature name, but when enabled, all it takes is a tap on the screen to unlock your phone. And to do this magic trick, just open up your settings, head to biometrics and security, and then when you're here, just go on fingerprints and enable fingerprint always on. You're gonna select the icon when the screen is offsetting and then select the tap to show option. Next up, get better game performance. Samsung's game dashboard is a feature so good that Google officially adopted it on Android 12, enabling to give you quick access to taking screenshots, recording videos, sharing to Discord and other streaming apps, turning on the gaming do not disturb, and even providing an easy way to monitor your phone's temperature and other performance metrics. To do this, just open up your settings and head to advanced features. Then you're gonna scroll down and enable the game launcher. Once you're here, go back to your home screen and open your app drawer and select the game launcher. The game launcher is an easy way to find any installed games, and any games found in the launcher can be further optimized by enabling game prioritization while playing. You can also add a little bit of color, and the thing is that Android 12 introduced a new concept that changes the phone's user interface to match the wallpaper color. It is a neat little trick that helps you make your phone look more like your phone and nobody else's. To do this, you just have to long press on any blank space and then select the wallpaper and style. Then head over to color palette and choose one of the 5 color options available for you. Now we're gonna have the gestural navigation, and over the years, smartphone navigation has evolved from physical buttons to virtual buttons. Now the gestural navigation is akin to the latest and greatest way to control your phone. To activate it, you just have to open the system settings, you're gonna select the display and then navigation bar. You're gonna select swipe gestures to enable gestural navigation. And now we're gonna have remove Samsung Pay from the home screen. So if you have enabled gestural navigation like we just mentioned before, you might consider removing the Samsung Pay shortcut from the home screen. When that shortcut is enabled, swiping up on your home screen to open the multitasking overview screen is basically impossible, as it's the same gesture that opens up Samsung Pay. Thankfully, you can turn off this function and still use Samsung Pay as your payment app, even on the lock screen. All you have to do is open up the Samsung Pay app. You're gonna select the menu button and then settings and go to quick access and deselect the home screen. That will fix your problem when using the navigation gestures. Now on spot number 9, we're gonna have enable call screening. While Google made a name for itself with Google Assistant based call screening on Pixel phones, Samsung hasn't sat back idly and done nothing. So if you're sick of dealing with spam calls, Samsung's caller ID and spam protection are easy to enable and will help better filter junk calls throughout the day. All you have to do is head to the settings, then you're gonna select apps and then choose default apps. Right here you're gonna tap the caller ID and spam app and select phone from the list. And now lastly, get a better keyboard. So as with many apps and services, Samsung makes its own keyboard that's enabled when you first turn on your phone. While Samsung keyboard has improved dramatically over the years, Google still makes the best keyboard you'll find anywhere. So Gboard, as it's called, is a free keyboard that can be downloaded from the Google Play Store and easily enabled, giving you much better prediction, customization options, and even nicer haptic feedback while typing. Download the free Gboard app from the Play Store. You're gonna open it up and follow the prompts to set Gboard as your default keyboard. Alright everyone, so that was it for today's video. If you got some valuable information out of it, please don't forget to give it a like and also leave a comment down below on what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications every time we post a new video. And as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one.